All right, thanks for checking in. Again, it's Monday. It looks like it's about 11 o'clock East Coast time, and you guys are on the brink of another major snowstorm, especially out in the eastern New England area. Down in the mid-Atlantic, really not so much, a few inches more of a nuisance, but this is a very impressive system. You can see the upper-level energy diving down. There's a storm now that's blowing up off the coast. This is going to work its way right off and past just east of Cape Cod tomorrow, and it's going to be something. You're looking now at the radar, you can see precipitation breaking out to our south. And this will now be the simulated radar as we head into tonight into tomorrow. So by the time we get, let's see here, to say later this evening, you can see some light snows breaking out here, but nothing substantial. But here's our low pressure center developing off the coast. By the time we get to the early hours of the morning on Tuesday, heavy snow starts to break out, especially in eastern Massachusetts. Eastern Long Island, New Jersey. Again, this is all residual, so I'm not really expecting major impacts here. Maybe 1 to 3 inches up here, but really the impact's going to be, say, eastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, eastern Connecticut, up into New Hampshire and Maine are going to get blasted by the storm. By the time we get towards daybreak, you can see we have a 971 millibar low, just spinning moisture back into eastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Maine, and this is where blizzard conditions could develop at times, guys. And by the time we get to, say, 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it's still snowing up there. We have a 969 millibar low. Very, very significant storm system here. And then finally, this does not pull out until we get to late tomorrow night for many areas. So it's all said and done. I like what the North American model is doing with snowfall amounts. You can see maybe a few inches here in northern Jersey. You can see the Catskills enhanced amounts. But over here in eastern New England, again, 14, 16, 17 inch amounts. I have no problem with that. I think you could easily see 12 plus inches in these areas, especially right here, and some localized amounts even of 20 inches plus. So buckle up. Another major storm system coming. This winter just doesn't want to quit. More to come.